not only increase your vocabulary but also remove the hesitancy. As they say, practice makes a man perfect. If you are curious about cricket, okay, try to read about cricket. You can read blogs, you can read magazines. Hello guys, welcome to the channel, and today we will discuss how to improve your vocabulary or master your vocabulary. Basically, improving vocabulary is all about reading, okay, or listening to stuff. But we are going to discuss some tips that will essentially increase your knowledge. Okay, the first one is reading extensively. You can read books, journals, or magazines. Reading not only helps you in improving your vocabulary, but it also helps in understanding the language. Okay. Secondly, is using a dictionary or a thesaurus. Now, a dictionary is a book that contains different kinds of words with their meanings. Okay. Sometimes you do not have a dictionary, so please use an online dictionary. Dictionaries will help you to understand the word and its proper meaning, as well as to understand how to say that word. So dictionaries have break down words so that you can speak it. Third is contextual learning. I've often spoken about the fact that how you need to read things that are based on context or that are based on your experience. Okay, so let's say I'm learning physics. Okay, and the terms come in electromagnetic induction or electromagnetism or microwave rays, something along those lines. That contextual learning will help you understand better what the language is and will also help you in your vocabulary. Okay, so try to read things that you are actually reading in terms of as a subject, and try to read them more. Don't try to, like, for example, let's say there are words that are quite confusing. Don't try to get into the meaning as such or try to rote learn them. If you have any issue, dictionary, okay, or a source. Creating a word journal. Now, creating a word journal is basically noting down words that you may use. Okay. For example, in GRE, they often give you a list of 350 words to use or to understand their meaning. What happens is that students try to rote learn them and not try to use them in a sentence. So when creating a journal will help you in not only writing down the words that are difficult, but also making sure that you use them in a proper context. Okay, play word games and puzzles. Games such as Scrabble help a lot in improving your vocabulary. Okay. Then there are word plays. You can find all these apps on Play Store or App Store. Okay. So try to play these kind of games. These games are not only fun and exciting, but help you in increasing your knowledge. The sixth tip is engaging in conversations and discussions. Obviously, the more you speak, the more you grasp about the language, and also what will happen is that you will not be hesitant. Okay, it will not only increase your vocabulary but also remove the hesitancy. As they say, practice makes a man perfect. So the more you discuss, the more you have conversations, the better it would be for you to learn and understand the language. Cultivate a curiosity for words. Again, this ties up to point 3 with contextual learning. If you're curious about any subject or if you're curious about any topic, you will try to learn its diction. Okay, try to learn its terminologies. If you think that this subject is tough, or if you think that this is a waste of time, why am I learning, why am I reading this, I am not curious enough, you're going to shut your book down. Try to read things that you are curious. So let's say if you want to learn, if you are curious about cricket, okay, try to read about cricket. You can read blogs, you can read magazines. So, for example, Cricinfo is a very good website that gives you information about cricket. Okay, it has got various different writers that have an exceptional command over the game. Okay, so try to read things that make you curious. Okay, so these are my tips, and if you like this video, please share it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you. So if you like this video, please make sure to hit the like and subscribe button